Hey guys.
Awkward moment.
Hold on. I'm gonna try to jump one of those
Awkward.
rocks. One of those rocks over there. Or
What?
whatever.
He's gonna crash.
No, I'm not gonna crash.
He's
Trust
gonna
me.
crash, and I'm probably gonna. People are gonna probably laugh. The background people.
Whatever you want to call those rocks.
Speed bumps, maybe.
Ready?
I don't know.
Stop.
Let's go!
Okay.
Epic moment. Oh, people want to see you crash.
I can jump that one.
People want to see you crash. You'll get internet famous.
What? Really?
Do another crash, for real.
For real crash? I'll show you a for real crash.
This is not acting, people. Not acting. You guys want to see him crash? We'll get you guys in one epic crash. Adrian, just be safe. Can we put a video like that up on my channel?
Really?
Exactly like that.
I tried to jump on the side.
Oh, Ivan did that. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, but he was acting. Oh, my leg hurts. Now we are.
Okay, let me show you a real crash.
Okay.
You better record this.
This better be well recorded. Otherwise, I'm gonna kick your butt.
You're gonna fail. Really? Dude, where are you going? Ah. Well, you got the chain off. That's for sure.
I didn't get it. Oh,
Okay, now time for the main part of the video. Yep. My birds.
really?
That's what I'm gonna. Really, dude. This is what the video's about. I just want to record my new birds. Not to be cocky or anything. Not to. And you're gonna get a rash.
Why?
Buzz.
I touched one of those before.
I grew one of those in middle school. We pet it. Don't watch this if girls don't watch this. Only girls that are afraid of bugs do not watch this. Hold on. They're gonna stick. Oh, a snail. Boring. I found one right. Found one right now. Garden snail. Here. I'm gonna eat this. Wow. Well, then I can grab a pencil so I can get the caterpillar. Time for the main scene of my birds. Going to my birds. And here's my bird.
Adrian, I'm outside. Hi, birdie.
Doesn't peck, see? My finger. Oh.
So look at the blue one that's gotten more comfortable with us. Watch.
Okay. Let's move on to my other ones.
Hi, Birdie.
That's my brother over there.
No,
He has his own channel.
Bro, why are you recording?
Oh, I'm recording my birds. Our birds.
Why are you recording?
No.
I'm gonna go across the street.
We go where?
Arizona.
Who got you in Arizona the first time?
Hi guys. See, look, he loves me.
Hey, what's that thing on his foot?
What?
What's that thing on his foot?
It's
Would you be like?
B673.
What does that mean?
It's like the number.
That's
I know.
sad.
Like.
If I was a bird, I'll be sad. I'm like a big bird person.
Then you do that, you can almost leave them outside. Hey, Bob. What's that thing around their feet?
Yeah.
Around their feet?
Yeah. Those numbers.
No. So, because when you buy them, if they fly away, if someone finds them, if you have the receipt, they have the serial number, and then you can claim them like it's yours. It's like a lost, like a license plate for a car.
What about the dove?
It doesn't have one.
So if you lose that thing, you lose it for good.
Well, you pretty much lose for good if they fly away. Unless you really want to look for them or whatever, and somebody finds them. Nobody finds them and they fly away and they start living in the street. No matter how many serial numbers they're gonna have, you're not gonna find them.
Okay, this is gonna be the end of my video, and see you guys in another video. Bye.